Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by WHO, that is World Health Organization. A lot of courses are available for you under different topics like COVID-19 and a lot more. So before we see what are those courses and how to enroll in it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So OpenWHO is a platform which was launched by World Health Organization a few years back, through which they are providing online courses to transfer some knowledge to general public regarding the health and other emergency situations that's happening around the world. So there are a lot of courses. There are actually more than 100 courses available for you, which all comes at a free of cost. You do not have to pay for anything. It's absolutely free, and after completing the courses, you can get a official certificate from World Health Organization as well. And here are courses like WHO standard operating procedures for emergencies, ready for response, and a lot of courses are available in different languages as well. And if you want to filter out the courses in any one language, you can just use the filter here. Just choose the option language and choose any language that you want. I'll go with English. So let me just click on it, and now we'll be seeing only the courses that are offered in English language. So here you can see all the courses like standard precautions, and you have prevention, identification, management of infections, clinical management of patients, transmission based precautions. This is a very big list, guys. So I'll just scroll down. This list will go on and on. There are actually more than 100 courses in English language alone. All these are free. You do not have to pay for anything, and as I said, you can get a certificate as well. And if you want to know more details about any one particular course, for example, let's say this one, you want to know about this WHO standard operating procedures details, just click on show course details here, and then you will be directed to that particular course page like this. And here you can see all the details regarding this course. Here is the overview, that is a description, and here are the learning objectives of that particular course, and the duration is also given here. And here you can see that you will get a certificate after completing the course, and at the end of this course you will have to take an assessment in which you have to score at least 80%. I don't know if it is at the end or you will get across each modules, because there are a lot of modules available for you in this particular course. So whatever it is, at the end of this program, if you have 80% score, you will get your certificate from World Health Organization, which will be officially valid across any country in the world. And that's it. You can see the modules and everything in the course section here. So let's see how to enroll in these free courses now. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website to get more updates about free online courses. And I just want to tell you about something about Coursera here. So if you are planning to buy any course in Coursera, there are a lot of subjects actually in Coursera, like data science, business, computer science, IT, language, health. The thing is, you can learn whatever you want in Coursera. And if you are planning to do that, go with their monthly plan. That is my personal advice, because with that you can save a lot of money. You can learn whatever you want, and you can get unlimited certificates as well. And the best part is courses in Coursera are offered by top companies and universities like Duke University, HEC Paris. So the content will be very good. I'll just show you the comparison here. So if you take any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,352, and with that, you will get access to all the 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certifications. Which means you will get access to the entire Coursera platform for 1 month at this price, which is very cheap. And here's the thing which I said, you will get unlimited certificates as well. For example, let's say you complete 100 courses in 1 month, you can get 100 certificates, no issues in that. And you can develop job relevant skills. That's the most important part. You have to develop skills. There is no use in just completing the courses. You have to develop that skills. And actually there are more than 15 professional certification programs as well in Coursera, which are offered by companies like Google and Facebook. You'll get access to that as well with the Coursera monthly plan offer. So I hope you'll find this Coursera monthly plan offer useful. If you want, you can just use my link, which I have given in description, so that you can help me in some way. I'll just use that to or develop answersQ channel and provide you with even more better details for you regarding the free online courses, internships, everything. So now let's see how to enroll in these free courses offered by WHO, that is World Health Organization. So for that, we need an account in this website. So for that, just click on login here and just click on create new account, and then you will be landing on this page where you have to provide your name and email address, and then you have to set a password for your account, and then click on this register button to create your own account in OpenWHO platform. And then you have to confirm your mail address. So you will get a mail like this from WHO platform. So just click on this confirm email button. So now you can see that the mail address has been confirmed. You can see that here. Thank you for confirming your email address. So what you have to do is just log into your WHO account. So just provide your email ID and password and click on this login button. And then you will be logged into the OpenWHO platform. I guess we have to give the profile details first. So give all your details here, like your name, email ID, date of birth, required information. Just fill in all the required details here so that you can enroll in the courses. And once you have done that, just click on courses here and click on all courses. You will be going back to the course catalog page like this. So, and here you can see all the courses as I said. So choose whichever course you want. I'll go with the WHO SOP for emergencies course. So let me just click on it. And once you go into the course page, you will see all the details as we saw earlier. So what you have to do is just click on this enroll me for this course button. Click on it, and that's it. You will be automatically enrolled in this free course offered by WHO. So just click on this enter course and start learning for free. All the content will be very good because it is directly offered by World Health Organization. So I hope you'll find this useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, make sure you hit on this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.